How I build a retirement income using my 3-step postcard system and widows to build a great retirement income. This system is how I made $1.2 million in renewals. I would have my list of niche widows using the software I had developed. My teenage daughter would mail out 125 pink postcards per week offering my free gift. Then every morning I had an older lady who need extra money to add to her Social Security would start calling and speaking to at least 10 to 15 widows on the phone daily. She had the gift of gap and had a southern access. I would pay her so much per sale. Depending on the size of the final expense plan, it would be $50 to $100 per case. She would try and book 4 appointments for the late morning or afternoon. All my appointments would be in one zip code, and many times I would have 2 or 3 appointments on a long street. My gift was a peace of mind kit. If for some reason they forgot about the appointment and was gone, I would leave a pink card which I had mailed a few days ago. I called it While You Were Gone. I would personalize it with their name and my name and phone number on a blank address side. I would put that postcard in the screen door, so when I drove back by later in the day, I could see if the widow had made it home. I had my picture on the address side that was blank. My picture was a small, colored-looking postage stamp. My free gift I would put in an 8x10 envelope and not give it out unless I was allowed to give her a short presentation to explain in details. I usually average at least 3 or 4 interviews per day. Plus, in between appointments, I would call on other widows who received a postcard which stated I would be out to deliver their free gift. Remember, I would work small neighborhoods and streets like 1st Street, 2nd Street. My goal every week would to give at least 15 to 19 interviews per week. I did get sometimes a handful of leads from the insurance agency, so I compiled our widow prospects in the same area I had direct mail leads. To get more details, go to www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com. Check out this website. Again, it's www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com. Make sure you hit the subscription button for more strategies.